I'm doing a walkthrough for Larry Mobiltec. So this is a 1957 Westerner. Yeah, you can see. Going inside, obviously. Oh. Here's for a overhead light. Under the sink light, there's a reading light in the bed bay, the berth. I'm going to put this low profile. It's a dimmer switch or dimmer light. Just tap it or hold it down and the light intensity increases or decreases. So that will go there. I got finger holes for under the bed so I can lift up the bed platform. And I did not do a rebuild. I did a repair or a patch by putting in the upper panels here. There's a propane lamp. There'll be a dome lamp here. And I'm thinking maybe I'll just put speakers there and there. I don't know. This will be the battery bay and also a inverter. And I'm thinking put the seat back here and make a larger than original table. Taking a look at the top. Door will have to be rebuilt. Got the running light. I have tear-shaped lights for outside. Got the right turn signal, left turn signal, and ground. Brown is for the license plate, and another running light. Oh, tail lights will go approximately here. I put in the curbing all the way around. I need to vacuum up here before I seal it with the insulation. Oh, I did extra wood on the vent box here because I wanted to support not only the vent box but also the cabinets. You can see there's the large circles with the screws. That's supporting the cabinets. And we did the same here. So I also used 1/4 inch ply on the vent box piece, and then I used the 1/8 inch because I had to bend it on the curved end panel. So 15 inches between, and insulation will go lengthways, and then vapor barrier. So what do you think, Larry? It ain't nowhere near as nice as you could do it, but I shovel horse poop for a living. I had to put that in before the skin goes on.